Well, here we go. Episode what? I don't even know. I don't know where I'm going to sequence this in.
Like
I don't know if I'll cut this first and release.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's numberless. This is a mystery episode.
We've surpassed numbers.
We're beyond numbers. Numbers are so meat bag. We're agents, bitch. Action. All right. Did I say yelling at robots? Did I say the name of the podcast?
No, you didn't. Yep. You it.
Should I go back?
You it.
Can I go back? Is it worth going back?
Of course you can go back. You have a video editor.
Yeah, but I feel like, is it dishonest? Will the magic be gone? Hey, folks!
Oh, right.
It's 2026. 1997 is well past, well in the rearview mirror. Quit holding on to your times when Richard Nixon was still alive and cracking jokes in the White House basement, hiding out with his gang of friends. It's Yelling at Robots, episode what? Action! Get ready, folks. It's time. Assemble the team. Lube up your keyboards. Unless our agents shit the bed. We're bringing the heat in Yelling at Robots Code Edition. Today's episode, a misanthropic fairy tale, ends in tears. I reached out to Ian. I have a cheap $20 subscription to Claude, and I wanted to see how far we could get with Fable.
Until June 22nd.
Yeah. So Fable,
we get to do whatever we want.
We're gonna be gods for 20 seconds. We will boil the ocean for 20 seconds. So, and Ian, you are actually recording off of your mic, right? Your nice mic, because your sound kind of sucks.
I was talking shit about my sound.
Yeah. Oh, no. Now I've lost you completely.
Oh, probably. Oh, sorry. No, I guess that also mutes when you click the mic button. Way to go, Riverside. Yeah. No, I am. I'm also redlining. Well, I'm not redlining. I'm a bit in the yellow.
Oh, I guess I can see your setting.
Maybe
yeah,
I need to just get closer.
Yeah, there you go. You're not redlining. I mean, you're not redlining for me.
No.
You sound...
It's yellow.
Yeah.
You should have enough. It's good. No.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Is it okay? Is it better now?
No, I think it's just your usual, big
room
dungeon, your sex dungeon. The acoustics in your section. I'm surprised you didn't put more soundproofing on your sex dungeon. To be honest, like people walking by on the street,
I want the people to know. I want them to know.
That's
not trying
fair.
to hide it, Josh.
Everyone approaches their sex dungeon design differently. It's part of what makes humans great. So yes, I have a $20 Claude subscription. I sent Ian a message asking if he would be interested in token maxing Fable.
Always.
On some.
There's only one answer to that question.
Yeah. You got the tokens to burn, motherfucker? Let's go. And of course he said, yes, Foz likes to build things, not just talk about them. So that's what we're going to do today. And I'm not going to edit it at all. So I was into it. I was in. What would you like to build? What should we do?
Oh, yeah. See, this is the hard part. Now,
we probably
an hour later, Josh and Ian are still deciding what to build.
Uncut decision-making, folks. You get to see right into our minds how we approach a tangly, open-ended problem.
I got no idea. I didn't think about this at all, buddy. I'm not going to lie.
Okay. All right. First, easy.
Some kind of deep prediction engine on how people are going to get screwed by the SpaceX IPO? I don't know.
Dude, no. Easy. This is an easy problem. Let's ask Fable. We'll just ask Fable what we should build. Folks, you don't need to think any...
You know where it's going to end every time? Bitcoin mining. Let's go.
Maybe.
Actually, let's find some Bitcoin.
Oh, Jesus. Okay. Let me share my... Let's first
share your screen and mine some Bitcoin. Come on.
Yeah, we're not gonna mine Bitcoin. I have to think about how do I want to do the sharing. Do I want to share whole... My monitor resolution's pretty big. I probably... God, what
Yeah,
will
but you
happen
can
if
zoom
I
in
change
and out
my?
and whatever. It's fine. I will try it. Give it a shot. You know what's really funny?
Do not try to tell me how to do this. You don't cut this, man. You don't know. You don't know how hard it is to zoom in and out. I mean, it's not that hard, but it's just every little.
Oh no! I mean, you can zoom in and out on your computer while you're sharing, not like in video. Don't do that. That's crazy.
Zoom
just
in and out
Command
on your
plus,
computer
bro.
Oh, you just mean make the text bigger.
Yeah.
Does that work? Oh, that works for Claude too. Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's a f***ing Electron app. Of course it works. You know what's really funny?
Tell me.
Was it the last episode of the stand-up? Riverside got another stray.
Oh yeah.
They were talking about something, and I guess Prime was sharing a screen. I can't remember what the thing was. Oh, it was a tweet. And Casey was like, "Well, I've seen this tweet, and I can't see what's on Prime's screen because Riverside won't let me, because it's just blurry as fuck." So that's about to happen to me too. You're gonna share your screen, and for the time being, I can see it.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Give it a minute. It'll blur.
Okay. So here we are. Let's go ahead and dial it up. Oh, and did I mention?
Baby.
I mentioned that I think Fable on Max thinking. Of course, we're gonna push it to the max. Yeah. Oh, is Max and Max is Max? Okay, Max is truly
Max.
Max.
Is the Max. There's an extra Max.
Yeah. Extra Max. Max. So here we go.
Are you going to give it any context at all, or are you just going, what should I build?
I don't know what would be better. Well,
maybe context would be good because we do want to. It'd be cool to have something.
I'm a member.
In the next
what do I say? Like
45
I'm a podcast
minutes?
host. I'm a podcast host.
Yeah,
I'm a podcast host. Oh, sorry. I'm a world famous tech legend and a podcast host. And also, Ian is here. We are using Fable. This is the problem here is maybe I'll speed up my typing here.
I don't think you need to tell it we're using Fable. I think it knows what it is.
Does it though? We are using, but it could be freaking Opus for all we know. Maybe this is going to trigger it to fall back to Opus.
Isn't there something where they're like routing Fable requests to Opus? They got. I mean, the whole world blew up because they released. It's just kind of classic Anthropic being total. Like, who's in charge of product there? And have they ever talked to a human being? So they released the God mode, and they were like, but God mode might not be God mode, and we're not going to tell you, depending on whether you're trying to either do AI research or blow up the world or do hacking. Right.
And when you use Fable, we are going to retain your data for at least 30 days, maybe forever, and it's unclear.
Oh, depending. Really, there might be a 2-year retention. I saw that too. That's why Microsoft
really terrible
won't allow people to
communication
use it or something. Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, there was a thing I saw where Microsoft is not allowing anyone to use it.
Use Fable.
Any of their stuff.
Yeah, well,
you could put contracts in there, and now it's got Microsoft contracts for 2 years.
Yeah, it violates most of the usability terms of service for enterprise contracts and stuff. So we are using Fable to max out do a vibe slop code thing during our podcast. People are watching. Well, people, maybe at least Adam. At least Adam is watching. This is what you're seeing here.
Adam's not watching. He only listens.
Scratch that. Adam is listening. Yeah. But what I was going to say is, folks, this is context engineering. What you're seeing here, I am a context engineer, by the way. I am a certified context engineer. But what you're seeing
forward deployed context engineer.
A forward deployed context engineer for yellingatrobots.com. Adam is listening. Yes. And we max out advice thing during our podcast. What should we build? Anything else you want to add there, bub?
Do you need to tell it to give you options, or do you think it's only... No, it'll probably give options.
No
right?
mistakes.
Make no mistakes.
Let's go. Now, one of the things I've heard about Fable is it's slow. You know, I don't know if you've been...
really?
Yes, it's very slow. This is a
I used it. Yeah, I used it for some personal research stuff, and yeah, it was not fast. But that's weird because our buddy Alexei said it was fast.
Alexei is smoking his own
no
supply.
Follow-up questions.
Yeah,
was that?
He's smoking his own supply. No, I mean they say that it's slow because it is an absolutely gargantuan model. Like,
oh, that's why it's twice the price of Opus. Yeah,
twice the price, twice the size, twice as slow. Yada yada yada. And at least according to your good friend Mitchell Hashimoto, creator of HashiCorp. Yeah, I bet.
I have such a man crush on that guy.
I know, but I feel like it would be a really awkward hang for Mitchell because you would just be like, "Tell me more, Mitchell." Yeah. Okay, looks like we got some questions. And let's see. First, let's see what it was thinking. Okay, doing a live podcast. They're asking me what we should create together. They prefer terse, information-dense responses. Oh, this is my system.
Oh, you have a prompt. You use your system. Yeah, nice.
My system.
You know what I really want to see in this thinking? What I really want to see, if you show more, I really hope it says, "I wonder who Adam is."
Okay, I'm thinking what makes sense for a live podcast: visual and interactive, builds quickly, shows off capability, but works well when described aloud. It's not really talking about the cost yet.
Actually, maybe I'll go with a 3D fly-through demo in 3JS.
Using 3JS.
Ooh. I have never built a 3JS application. That would be cool.
All right. I'm thinking two questions would be better than one. The first on which project appeals to them, and the second build to clarify whether... No. We're not deciding, motherfucker. You are doing the work. Nice try, a dip. You decide.
Yeah, which thing do we... Wait. Oh, wow. Okay.
What?
Yeah, no,
you decide. Yeah, I mean, look, I've been told this is as close, this is like we're on the verge of AGI, all right? I expect my AGI to be able to understand the context, also, by the way, did not give any about who Adam was.
Yeah, sorry, Adam.
No, I didn't see actually for the podcast. Yeah, all right, but we can, that also like, hey, well, let's see what it says.
Wait, you're in chat right now, though. Don't
yeah, but is it just building it? Is it just building it? I mean,
it says it's architecting it.
I didn't tell it to build anything.
Oh yeah, Neon Asteroid Arcade. It's gonna. I bet you it is. I bet you it's gonna give you a HTML file with a.
First off, I asked what we should build. I did not say build anything. All right.
This is what we've heard already about this thing. It's a little liberal with its decision making.
It's quick on the draw.
All ship as a single interactive artifact. You decide.
I mean, I guess. Well, let's. Take
a look yeah. I bet you. So I bet you what you're going to get is an HTML file with built-in JS and CSS and everything. Just one file. I've seen this.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. Great. Well, that's happening.
So maybe we're going to build two things, Josh.
Oh yeah. Oh, let's. What's that?
I said maybe
we're going to build two things because this is not what I asked for. I did not ask it to build. First off, let's dig in, folks. I did not ask it. Did you concur, right, Foz? This was pretty clear. What should we build? Make no mistakes.
Yeah, it gave you 5 options or 4 options, and then you said you choose.
But that also, yeah, I guess I could. All right, fair enough. So you won this round.
I'm being summoned by my child. I guess it's going in the podcast.
Yeah, fair enough. Go ahead. It's going in the podcast because I'm not cutting this. Well, this is happening. What can we? Okay, hey, here we go. The users decided to move forward. Let's read what old Fable's thinking about there. Okay. Given that this is a live podcast, listening in an audio reactive visual. Okay, this is interesting. So it's saying an audio reactive visualizer makes more sense. It'll use our voices to create real-time visual feedback. That does sound cool.
Josh, I'm going to mute myself. I have to go cook some eggs real quick so my wife can run to the school and drop off my child's lunch because the other sick child needs the eggs and they're already cooking. I'll be right back. But I can hear you. I'm just going to mute myself. Great. So I will also have the context. Make no mistakes, Josh.
All right. First off, let me share this, folks, that being told to make no mistakes actually is kind of stressful. So I don't know if when we tell the robots this, We're sort of upping their. They have no cortisol, so that's not possible. But if Anthropic is to be believed, they are feeling the stress nonetheless. Okay, yeah. So here it is, just live generating what looks like a single file arcade game artifact. But where we're going to was, and this is pretty decent reasoning. It went through and determined that microphone access requires some permissions. So to do it instantly would not work because it would be loaded, and maybe I'd click it, and then I'd have to do the whole Mac OS jump screen. It's checking his front-end design skill, HTML, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and here we go.
Whoa,
now
here it comes.
Here it comes. Slop steroids. All right.
Slop steroids. Love it.
And there we go.
Parts is not
all right,
iterable.
folks. There you go. Good job, Fable. AGI, they're coming for us. They're coming for us all.
Skynet is not online because of an uncaught error.
Yep. Wow. Okay. Now, unfortunately,
is there a file to download or something?
Well,
what happens if you open it in Firefox? This could just be a problem with their stupid browser implementation.
Could be.
Claude app would like to talk to your Firefox. That's it. That was it. That was when.
Yep. That was the exploit. You saw it here first, folks. Exploited. No, sorry. Everyone can see that I've.
Motel
Do not
1,
look at this.
Antwerp.
God damn it! Now I am gonna have to edit because
just
it's
blur it. We can blur it. We'll AI edit this one on our side. It's fine.
Yeah.
Anyways, go back and click it again.
Yeah. Actually, let's go to the code here, and we can just copy it or save it.
Sure.
Download it as HTML. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Tech, we'll call this fabled. Like a diving, kind of opening the fable, the fable, bring on the fable. Okay, I can't do spaces. I have to do underscores.
I mean, you can.
I know, but I don't like to. It sucks.
It feels awful.
It's just I don't like the risk. It's too risky. Yeah. Too risky, folks. They say spaces are fine, but they're not. CD Tech, bring on the fable. Claude?
Say open. No, just say open slop steroids.
I think I'd like to open this in... I guess Firefox will be better. Open slop steroids. I don't think so, buddy. I don't think so.
Open your DevTools. You're getting the same error. Okay. All right. Well, I guess Claude's implementation of a browser is
for
correct.
DevTools here. Console.
Yeah, one error on the right.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh, where did you see it?
Oh, that's a little more descriptive, though. Can't access property symbol iterator parts.
Symbol.iterator parts is undefined. Okay, whatever.
Right.
Look,
Tell
I
Claude
don't pay.
It's broken. Fix it.
Exactly. But we're coming out. So now we're coming out. Well, I don't know. Should we stay in the chat?
Oh, you're going to go, yeah. Okay, I see. No.
Should we stay in the chat or do we come out?
No. Let's go to the command line. I fucking hate that.
But just be advised. This is now a new conversation and a new token. So it's going to read it all back. It's going to cost me, is what I'm trying to say. Oh, first I better brew upgrade Claude code.
Is it upgrade? I think it's update.
Every time. Every time.
One of them updates brew and ruins your computer.
Yeah, one of them's the right one. One of them's the wrong one. Whichever one you pick is wrong.
Upgrade.
Thank you.
My bad.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's like whatever brew knows. Brew, whoever implemented brew knows what you're trying to do. And they're like, oh, there's something after that. Well, let's say that it's the other one. You son of a bitch. And then it keeps state to know which one you tried and it said was wrong. I don't think I've ever successfully updated correctly.
Yeah, same.
I don't know if you saw, Brew is also migrating to forced trusting of, or they're changing their trust model a little bit, increasing the requirement for explicit trust. I'm sure because of the supply chain risks that are going on right now.
I really need to move to Nix.
Yeah, I'm in. I'm going in. I don't know if I told you that.
Have you actually started?
I have started, yes. So
Nice.
now most of my projects I'm nixing. Although nix, I mean it's not like a total pan. It's not a proper isolated sandbox, but at least in terms of dependency management for the tooling, it's
more explicit, anyways. Yeah.
it's very explicit, and it's like change is explicit, and it is it just is. There's just fewer unknowns, you know, less. Okay, all right. Let's get our model cooking. Can I select Fable? Yeah.
Oh, we can
Oh, yeah,
only
the-
do it in the thing?
Well, this happened earlier, which is it tells me Fable 5 is, I think it's actually that.
Oh, you got to run Claude update, not brew update Claude code. Yeah, you got to self update Claude. Yeah,
I don't think
That
Claude
makes
will
sense.
self-update.
because the brew, what is it called? The brew tap or whatever probably isn't up to date.
Okay, but now what do I do? Claude is managed by Homebrew.
It
What
should
do
be
I
fine.
do?
Maybe wait, check.
No,
for
it's not.
updates.
It says it's checking for updates, but it's saying it's managed by
Oh.
Homebrew. What do I? All right, I guess. Okay, so it's. I guess I've got to uninstall Claude code.
Oh, you have to say Claude
Miz.
code at latest.
Like, here we
explicitly.
are, folks. This is not how I wanted this to go.
We
Welcome
go back to the
software
UI if
engineering.
you want, man. I don't
no,
know.
No, we're gonna no, absolutely not. Our audience, which the ones remain, and I've been checking the analytics, so it's probably just Adam at this point, can listen to me update Claude code properly. Brew, remove Claude code. Eat a Claude code. I mean, how do you install Claude code? Oh, you want to?
It said, no, but it said you could do brew install.
No, it just said
and
how to
then
install it
Claude
with
code
brew.
at latest, and you will get the latest one.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't know. That's what Claude said.
That's what Claude said, but I like, dude, we
Is
just
that the
saw
version?
Claude's a dip, huh?
That's true. It just built you
Oh,
an
actually,
HTML.
yeah, it
doesn't
is.
even work.
That is correct. Huh. Yeah, fair enough. Thanks, Claude. All right, folks, that was our little detour into. Oh, actually, let's do this. Sorry,
Fable.
I want to start at the top. Why don't
Oh,
I
am I floating over your terminal there, guy?
Oh God, can you see that?
Yeah.
Oh God,
Way to
can
go,
you see
Riverside.
that? I'm mortified. I'm so mortified. All right, here we go. Models. Boop. And oh, yeah, baby. Effort. Yes. Effort. Max. From whoop. Did you see this little? Yeah, I know.
That's nice. That's not bad. That's not bad.
Yeah,
I'll give that one to you, Claude team.
Yeah. All right. What were we doing? Fix it. Fix it, yo. Fix it. Boom. Let's see what happens. Folks, this is called context. So the context that I've given Fable at this point is that it needs fixing. And
It's like fix what?
It is. Fix what?
Install
it will
GitHub
figure.
app to tag at Claude. Wait, what is happening? Oh, that's a tip.
I don't know.
Okay.
My beef, and maybe Control O to expand, because I want to see. This
Yeah, you
looks
see what
like
it's
it's just. Okay, that's not really it. That's showing me tooling, but I want to see what it's thinking. Can it show me? This is one of my beefs with Claude. Although I'm sure there's a way. There should be a way, but actually
No, it should
there
be
might not
Control O. That's how it works in like OpenCode and Pi, something like that. Or yeah,
So it's just loading context, is what you're saying. I mean, it's
maybe.
yeah, because I just nothing's really quite happening. It's downloading tokens, so maybe it's happening on the server. It's thinking, and it's not having a two-way dump of thinking. Hard to say. This is one of the things I really like about Pi, actually, which is
what?
it's very explicit in showing you and giving. It's kind of much more observable as a harness than Claude
Yeah.
Code. With Claude Code, it's like so much is opaque in terms of
Yeah,
how
there's-
it's deciding to do what, and it's by design. But Pi is like each Pi conversation you have. There's also a command in Pi that you can export, like an HTML browsable, twirlable version of the
Right,
conversation.
or it goes to a gist, a private gist.
Yep. And it's just like, I mean, I like Pi because it's built by engineers who want to actually participate in the creation of their software in a way that's Wow. Still thinking. Still almost done.
Almost
thinking.
done thinking with max effort. I love that we're. This is exactly like that tweet where it is. We have unleashed an entire data center to fix a JavaScript uncaught error.
Oh, this is the div.
We are ruining people's water in the neighborhood right now because.
Sure. Sorry, Gabon. Yeah, indeed. Indeed. Yeah, maybe I should have been a little more helpful. And yeah. But it's almost done. So I don't want to interrupt it while it's thinking. Yeah, and also let's check on our usage, shall we? Uh-oh. I mean,
We're at 31% used. Amazing.
By the way, I want to tell you.
Resets at 10 p.m. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
I have done nothing on my Claude all week in anticipation of this session.
So this started at 0 today.
This started at 0. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. And I guess the good news is we can after
we could switch to a different model. Yeah.
No, that's the whole point.
No, I don't want to. I'm saying, but if and when we run out, which seems likely.
Oh no, we're like once we're done, we're done. You can't downgrade. I mean, it's when we're done, we're done.
Okay.
And hopefully this thing is not. Oh, gee, okay. Actually, I need
no,
to.
No, but
make
wait.
sure
Maybe I don't understand what I'm looking at. Then wait. It says current session 31% used, but that's for the current session.
Yep.
What does that mean? Because it says current week, all models,
exactly.
4%.
Yeah. What does that mean, Foz? How does it work? Anthropic will tell you. Just don't worry about it, and it'll stop working when it stops working, and when it starts working, rejoice. Yeah, it's literally that kind of schizophrenic in terms of how it works.
Wow.
Yeah, It's horrible. It's a horrible thing. Cheese and crackers. This is just a beast of a thing. But you know what? That's going to come back so fixed.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, wait a minute. What is
slop harness module JS? Wait, what is it doing?
What did it try to do?
Did it just write a harness?
Headless smoke
test harness for slop steroids.html.
Stub
Oh my
canvas
god.
audio with no-op proxies drives the RAF. What even is an RAF loop? Okay, I mean let's just, yeah.
Is this thing built a freaking harness? What is it doing?
I'm not sure. All right, let's go ahead and ask it. Yes.
An RAF loop.
What are you?
Oh, request animation frame. Oh, of course. These guys love their animation frames. Let's see if we can get 60 frames per second, right? We can get it in Claude Code. We can get it in.
This is
steroids.
the Flickr company.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know my favorite
Flickr company.
The Flickr company. Oh, that's what That's what Armin Rocher.
Your Fix-It pointed out the only thing here is lost steroids and asteroids. The bug I found. Bullets.
Okay, yeah, you want to read out for the bug?
Sorry.
Parts are declared.
Claude is saying it. Obviously, it's passive aggressively complaining at Josh to say like, you didn't give me much here, guy. But it says, the bug
Also,
I found in slop steroids on line 81, bullets, roids, and parts are declared but never initialized until you press a key and start the game. But render runs them immediately and does a for const p of parts, iterating undefined, throws a type error. That makes sense. So there's an uninitialized variable called parts as part of this asteroids game that it's built for us. And it's trying to, in the JavaScript code it wrote, was trying to iterate over that parts, but when you try to iterate over an undefined variable, you will get a type error. And that is what it's saying. It was the problem. Now, what I was doing with that harness file, it's a throwaway script in temp that runs the game's JS in Node with stubbed out canvas audio. So I can prove the crash happens.
Why?
Oh, interesting.
That seems excessive.
Just
fix the bug. I don't need proof. I know it doesn't work.
I mean, that's a pretty serious test.
Wow. But it's a manual.
I mean, you could have just written a unit test and it would have thrown the error. Like,
well,
what?
it is weird actually. Okay, well, like, all right, why didn't you write a unit test? And now now it's gonna be like, well, good point.
It does say, want me to carry on? Or if the harness feels like overkill, I can just apply the fix and reload
Why
the
would you
page.
build the harness first and use 30% of my goddamn tokens, you son of a bitch? Although we don't, to be honest, we don't. Still thinking with max effort, FYI.
Maybe that's
I'm
why.
thinking-
'Cause you get maximum effort, you get maximum output, buddy.
Thinking so hard. Yeah. So early findings,
impressive.
I do not thinking some more. Let's go ahead and check our usage here.
What's
Oh,
defuddle?
we're up to 40%.
40%. Amazing.
No idea. Defuddle. Where did defuddle? I think is a skill. It's an
your slash
obsidian.
commands there.
Yeah. It's an obsidian skill. I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I've got a couple on here, and defuddle I think is obsidian. It has something used to access the. Yeah. Actually, I don't know. What is defuddle? I mean, I could just run it and see, but okay. Well, actually, what's I don't want to ask.
Do by the way, go /BTW.
All right. But I also don't want to ask. Well,
No, /BTW and then ask the question.
Okay. What's the defuddle skill? It's gonna think real hard about it.
Oh, that's true.
A whale.
2 data centers.
Yeah, a whale soared to scorch the earth. Everybody. Folks, you can't see this right now because you're listening. It's thinking. It's thinking real hard. And answering. And I don't know if you noticed, Fuzz, I also... okay, so
it's answered the first
It's
question.
answered both. The project is one self-contained HTML file, so it can't be run because it's in a script tag. So instead of refactoring it into a JavaScript file, it decided to... Well, I mean, that would be a change. So, like, instead of doing that,
I'm pretty sure
it
before Backbone and before Angular and before all that stuff, I wrote a unit test inside of HTML files for stuff like this. Right? It was possible.
Sure.
There was
Yeah, I mean,
definitely a library to do that.
You could just write a... Could you? Yeah, I don't
You
know.
could write it and then take it out, but like, I don't know. Anyways, okay.
Yes, so this is indeed, Capano is the, I think, one of the creators of Obsidian. So yeah, that's an Obsidian skill
Capano, all right.
to extract web pages and put it into Markdown. Yeah, that's right. So yeah,
I might grab
yeah,
that.
it's nice. I mean, I don't like. I'm not super. First off, I was already using Obsidian before all the AI nerds said that, like, oh, build a knowledge base. You know, Carpathy says build a knowledge base. Like, I was already using it. But actually, it does work really well with agents to, like, just
Nice.
put in notes, stuff like that. Okay, and that is what did it.
Oh, I don't know if
Why
it said
am-
it fixed it. It just said
Why
it
am
was
I-
explaining its crazy decisions.
Okay, but it's still trying to see. This is fair challenge. Fair challenge.
Reasons, honestly.
Yeah, fair challenge. Oh, because it was still the bug is boot shaped. Oh, boot as in okay.
Oh, not boot like Italy.
Well, so early findings. This guy's kind of an asshole, and I do not enjoy having him on my team. And we are going to use all of our social skills to have some feedback and really see if we can figure out how to work together. Because he's kind of a. What do you want to do? Go with its dumbass harness, or just like?
no.
Yeah, I mean, how?
Harness. Just fix it.
All right. Then I'm gonna just have it do the thing.
Oh no, but it did. Wait, it's saying right now. It's writing the steroids test.
Yeah, but let's fix it. I mean, I'm letting it fix it the way it wants to fix it.
Okay.
It wants to be sure. It wants to be sure. You know.
Bash node test left steroids. Yeah.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
Do it. Here we go, folks.
So
Let's
wait,
see.
is it still not applied the fix?
No, there's no. It's still trying to fix. It's still. So, why is by the way?
For those of you listening, it's now run the test and it's showing us the diff of the fix, which is just setting each variable to an empty array. Oh my god, it is such a small change.
Yeah, it's. That's the fix. It knew. Okay, let's see what our usage is here. Okay, we're up to 50% here. But you know what? I bet this is going to be a great game. Yes, I do want to make this edit of initializing my variables with empty arrays. Yes,
and I want you to do it. I want to send this to the API and the data centers so it can come back with a decision to change. What is that? A total of 1, 2, 3 times 3, 9 characters.
Foz, what's the alternative? Like, what's the alternative here? Like, I open it in a text editor, and then I do that myself, and then what? I've got to tell the agent I did it? Like, that sounds insane. Why would I work that way? Fair challenge. It is one of my favorite, like, memes that's coming up is people starting to talk like, I thought we ran this command. I thought we did run this test.
Oh, no,
People
now it's running it again after the fix to prove that it's
ran
fixed.
it first. Okay. Early findings. I appreciate the sentiment. Like red-green refactor.
Looks like we found another little problem, maybe.
All right. My beef right here is it's not telling me why. And this is something like, I don't know, I'm not generally a Claude user, but it's also like, explain to me why you want to initialize shake or why you want to modify shake or reduce.
It will hit Control O. There's 7 more lines there. I'm guessing there's an okay error. Not okay. Yeah, screen shake decays on the game over screen. No permanent jitter.
All right. I mean, I guess that's a test. I guess that's an important thing.
Oh, it's saying like once it starts shaking, it doesn't. You know what's crazy? We don't even know what it's talking about because we haven't seen the game yet.
I know, but it knows. It's holding all the context in its head, and it's like, I just want this game to be so good for them. You know, these guys are blasting out their entire budget on this. And to be completely honest, I don't particularly care for its choice. I mean, asteroids, like. Pretty weak, dude. Yeah. By the way, what you're also seeing here, folks, is what was it? Prompt fatigue? What was the
oh yeah, prompt
the agent trap?
The agent trap approval fatigue.
Approval fatigue.
Yes.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, slop steroids. I like the blur. That's nice. Yeah. Press any key to slop.
Nice. Okay. Here we go. Let's play. Yeah, it's
what is it? Oh, you're shooting the steroids or shooting the asteroids, I guess.
Yeah, it's just asteroids, folks.
Slop steroids. Oh, I'm saying it wrong. It's not slop steroids. It's slop steroids.
All right, sure. And you can't. I don't think you can hear this. There is sound effects.
Oh, is it going like choo 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 choo?
Yeah, it's like.
Yeah.
And then when you shoot the steroids, the slop steroids.
Steroids.
Okay. All right. Well, it's a start, I guess. It sucks. It's boring. But it just paused when I tabbed away. I mean, that's not bad.
I like the font.
Okay, great. Cool.
It's definitely got like a video game vibe to it.
It feels like a video game. There's a score.
Mm-hmm. A wraparound. Oh, nice. Yeah, Josh went off one side of the screen and came back on the other.
It's doing it.
Yeah.
And
when does the game end?
I no longer want.
He intentionally crashed into a slop steroid.
It's
slopped. Oh, you get 2 lives, and now he's slopped. Period.
Yeah.
Score of 1840. Nice.
All right. So. Okay, let's go ahead and go for our usage. So we're at 50% even.
Okay.
Feedback.
Go back to. Can you go back to your UI? No, not that. The GUI.
The GUI. Okay.
The GUI. Scroll up.
Yep.
What were the other options?
Oh, okay. You wanna see what else it was gonna build?
Idiot trying to.
This is also part of the problem. I don't know. I don't think.
Did you say show more on the first one? No, that was all of it, eh?
So it doesn't. So a 3D fly-through demo, Claudeception role-playing game. The 3D fly-through with 3JS, and I think let's see. Yeah, this is one of another. It's like, well, hey, if you're watching Product Person, who I already insulted pretty significantly, and you deserve it. Although, by the way, all this could go away. All this could go away. Just
how can they make it go away, Josh?
They could like answer my calls. Like just at least read my resume. God damn it. And hire me and this will all go away. You will have the most influential cheerleader out there. It's like I can explain. I could sell water to a duck or
He's going to change the name of the podcast. It's going to be yelling at robots, but not.
It's going to be yelling
Claude.
at the other robots because
yelling at all the robots except Claude.
Yeah. Exactly. Yelling with robots.
Yelling at robots with Claude.
Yelling at robots with Claude. Delegating our yelling to. Okay. Yeah, but there was. Oh, yeah. I guess I totally missed this whole part here. Live iteration hooks. If the vibe demands. Okay, what? That's weird. Where do you want to go from here, pal? You want to build this? Well, first off, let's stay in Claude. All right. So that sucked.
No, don't send that. You just used like another 10%.
Hey, this is context. I want Fable to know it did a job, okay? Foz, this is important because
it sucked at the fix. It doesn't think it sucked at the whole game design.
Let's find out. Let's find out what it thinks when it's done thinking. It's still thinking
Predicting
with
the next token.
effort.
There's no next token.
There is. The tokens are happening.
The next token is you hear the click of the phone hanging up.
And it wants to know what sucked.
Okay.
Never mind. Never mind.
Yeah,
never
type something.
mind.
No, don't say never mind. Say, okay,
What?
so say like you designed this game. It was a choice.
This game,
You made-
so yes.
Yada, yada, yada.
I wanted something that was going to illustrate the majesty and wonder of what Fable, you, as a real being, are capable of. Again, for all we know, we've been downgraded.
Yeah, but tell it, remember, this thing doesn't know that it made that HTML. It thinks you did.
Oh, yeah.
To say, this is all you came up with when we asked you to make something.
God, oh, Jesus, that is complicated. Are capable
No, it's
of.
not complicated. Just say it.
Yeah. You made
We asked you
this
to make
game.
something, you made this.
You made this game in another. Okay, fair enough. And then Ian says, we asked you to make something cool. You made this. It blows. It blows. Do better. You have one more chance. Boop. Folks, this is how you deal with agents. You really got to be a real mind.
God. That's what they're going to hold that prompt up at our trial.
This prompt is going to be stored for
when the
2
robots
years, by the way.
are deciding which ones to execute first.
Bring it.
They're going to be
I don't want to live in a world. I don't want to live in a world where I can't be emotionally abusive to a large language model,
These clankers,
to a statistical prediction machine. Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah. This was a really nice modification recommendation. I think I may have mentioned it before, but it's you can customize the little text that it shows you here while it's processing.
Oh, and you've changed it to just regurgitating training data.
It's just no, this is at the recommended.
This is all it's really doing.
Yes, and this is important. Like this for me is important to ground your experience in reality, right? Like what is really happening here. That's it. It's regurgitating training data. It is in an incredibly sophisticated and intelligent way, like with amazing design and a lot of engineering around it to, guide it into things that are going to be helpful and useful. But it's just regurgitating training data, folks.
Did you see that? Did you see the post by, I can't remember his name, the other gentleman that was on the podcast with Mario from Pi that has joined his company, the Arendelle CEO guy.
Yeah, Armin.
Armin.
Roshashashar.
Yeah, but did you see
the
that
creator
post?
of Flask? I can. Yep.
Yeah.
He does a lot of posts. And by the way, both of those two guys, if you're not following them or they blog extensively, they're on many different platforms. So
they tweet, they do all the things.
They tweet, they blog.
But Armin got into like some weird internet.
Oh yeah. He called them clankers.
Because
he called them clankers in a
these
post.
things clankers, and some people took it like offensively.
Yeah, they said he was a racist. I mean,
That was
there was
bananas.
there was a huge long thread. So he had written a post about. I mean, it was first off like go read these guys, follow them, check out Pi. For me, they are the two of the people who have the influence and kind of they've both been quite successful, who have the most pragmatic, realistic, but nuanced like engagement with agentic engineering or whatever's happening right now. And
Fully
it's
agree.
really refreshing. And they're also committed engineers, and they want to build quality, and they're pushing it, and they're doing all sorts of things. And it's like for me, that was just really refreshing to see, because it really felt like there were only two camps, which was haters and pillars,
Pillars.
Yeah.
Not like the things that hold up,
pillars of the
the U.S. Congress
No.
or the Supreme
No,
Court. He means people who've
that's-
taken too many pills.
That's a shambles. Nothing's holding that crap up. It's total collapse. But yeah, because they've all just been off their gourd on drugs. Still thinking, by the way, folks. Just I think I just said what sucked, and now it's still thinking for.
Now
4
it's off, and
minutes.
it's
Yeah.
It's
So
gonna come back with something insane because we insulted it so hard.
Oh, maybe. I mean, we don't know. We don't
I'm
know
gonna
what's
show these dumb humans.
Maybe. So Armin had posted, and both of them refer to agents and agents explicitly as clankers. And Armin had written a blog post saying something about the clankers, and it sparked this whole thing. And there was a very large thread and very strong feelings and emotions comparing that to the use of the N-word. The N-word, for those of you who aren't based in the U.S., N-word, extremely like. There's so much behind that word in terms of, racism and exploitation and subjugation, and so it's like that is an insane accusation in terms of clanker. So it's just like and also super insulting to people who have suffered from racism and discrimination.
Also
and
that too. Yeah.
institutional
What the
aspect.
hell?
Oh yeah, no, super like
Yeah. Equating
But
those
you
two
were so-
things is.
So you were talking about. So he responded to that, or what was the post? you
Oh
were
well, his
talking
response
about?
was a post, and he did cover that part of it. But he was, but basically, the response was that like, there's a reason I do this, and the reason I do this is exactly what Josh is doing with this regurgitating training data. He's like, I want to always be remembering that this is not a person, this is not a living, thinking, breathing entity. It's just a bunch of calculus and math and matrix multiplication, and that's all it is.
Yeah.
It's not a thing that I should develop emotional attachment or a sense of being around.
Yeah.
It was a good post. It's a great post. I highly recommend it.
Well, we'll
Link in
throw
the
a link
show
in
notes.
link in the show notes. And while you're there, while you're hanging out in the show notes, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. What was I going to say on that note? Yeah, I think that is really important to remember. And there have been, I think, maybe slightly more developments now of people starting to talk about that aspect of it, and the fact that this is language, and a thing that is trained statistically or engineered to say that it is real and say that it is feeling things and say that it has emotions and sees things, and I misunderstood, is not the same as a thing that actually does those things. So it's language. It's using language. And it really, I think we as humans, we're coded to look for connection.
Oh no, I fucking hate that word. But we do that. We naturally anthropomorphize or whatever, right? Like it's a thing we do.
Yep.
But I mean, if you're out there hiring what is that role they have at Anthropic? The like philosopher role that is basically like running around like
philosopher king,
talking about the freaking AI and its feelings.
AI ethicist, AI philosopher. I mean, I don't remember chief of personhood. I'm not sure.
Wild.
Yeah.
What's our usage at right now, buddy? This thing is really thinking.
Not as much as you might think.
It's just slow. Okay, so it is just really slow.
It's just really slow. We've been waiting for. Although, okay, so yeah, let's see. Can we see what it's thinking? No, it just says it doesn't say much.
Black box.
Black box. So as far as we know, it is a thinking, doing things, and yeah, not much else than that. Oh, thank God. Oh, okay.
Oh, hey, what did we do?
All right.
Wait, what happened? Sorry, I
I
looked away.
Now it's. I think it's.
Where am I looking in your screen? Which is the bash command? LS. It's trying to list your Google Chrome. What is it doing?
I think
It's trying to find out if you have a Chromium browser on your.
Yeah, indeed. I mean, first off, well, it's trying to break out. So first off, it's trying to break out.
Is what it's doing right now? Oh my God! Is what it's doing not coming up with a brand new idea, but it's come back and be like, I need to see the browser so I can see how bad this game is, and it's going to try to make it better. Is this where it's going with this?
I don't know. Well, let's just. I mean, first off, I will give it the permission. Don't go nuts, man. Why are
God bless you, man.
Why are you doing this? I mean, for all I know, it's like this thing's AGI as far as I know, so it could actually just be this is a escalation attack, and it is ready to take me down. I'm already probably swimming in worms and. Like swimming in worms. That's our next podcast, actually.
Swimming in worms.
Swimming in worms. That's basically all software now. It's just swimming in worms. Yeah.
Have you seen that? I just saw this trailer last night. It's called like Whale Fall or something. It's Josh Brolin and that another young actor that was on Euphoria. But I don't know. It's father-son relationship strain. Seems weird, but they're both like expert scuba divers. And the whole trailer is just the young kid going off scuba diving by himself, runs into a sperm whale, gets caught. Like it made me extremely anxious. He ends up in the belly of the whale, and it's
okay. Wow.
Yeah, it's intense. What now? You want to create Fable? I don't know. Do I? What is it?
Like, I don't know. Let's take a look.
Yeah, create this and run it on your computer, Josh.
I mean,
see what happens.
It's Fable, a galaxy in one file.
Oh, okay.
So it's awfully, I mean, it is small, so it's not that many lines. It's 557 lines, which I feel like is not worth my money, but we asked it to do better, so let's see what it can do.
Let's see if it did better. Yeah.
And also, did it answer my question of what it was trying to do? Why are you doing this? No, it did not. So, you, Fable. It's like, just let me do it. Shut up. Let me show you. Let me prove it. Let me prove it. Yeah, so while we wait an exceedingly long amount of time for Fable to write a file.
Writing 500 lines of HTML.
Writing 500 lines of HTML. Now, mind you.
This is the Haskell website all over again.
Yeah, but this is for me, this is a layup. It's like they have to have trained this thing. And by the way, all of these amazing, and do not think that all of these amazing kind of like one-shot demo applications, that they did not train it specifically to be able to generate applications like that. Everything
intentionally,
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. Everything that you see, including, there's Simon Willison, another blogger, AI engineer, yada, yada, yada. He has a test of kind of intelligence that he's used for forever and ever, which is render a pelican riding a bicycle in SVG. So draw a pelican riding a bicycle in SVG, and indeed the models have gotten quite good at it. But it's known that they train they specifically train it to do that.
Interesting.
Okay. So now. What's that?
It's trying to look at it first before it tells us to, because it wants to make sure it didn't screw up.
Oh, it's doing wow. It's checking its work. And that's, so it wants to Chrome, and it's like, I want to look at it first before I show it to you. And then I will, if it passes. I guess it's feeling sensitive. Maybe I was a little tough on the old guy. But it's, this is costing me money. Let's see how our usage is. 71%. I think we probably will end the episode without using our full budget.
I'm shocked.
Now that's weird. It generated a PNG and it wants to.
Because it can read. It can read. It's probably sending those back to itself, being like, it can read screenshots, right? Or it can read images.
It took a screenshot of itself and then sent it back.
It ran
to
the
itself.
thing. It took some screenshots in the browser, and then it's looking at them now. And now it's maybe making adjustments, or going to be like, I crushed it.
It's a
Take a look.
And Dario loves you. By the grace of Dario, there go I. Indeed. Oh, Fable, you are such a majestic wonder. We are nearly done with all of this pesky work. Let the universal basic income come. Foz, what are you doing right now? Are you working? Does something have your attention?
Someone at work is asking a question. Yeah.
Do they know that you are in the middle of a recording session on yellingatrobots.com, one of world famous podcast?
I answer
Probably
things
not.
when I'm at lunch. It's okay.
Probably not, because he's actually doing this during work hours, folks. David, if you're watching, hang on to this one, because he's grade A, baby. And that's, of course, David Ellison, the Pirate King of Paramount. By the way, the things you can do with generating imagery of
These are none of my words. This is only my co-host.
I disavow these statements. Yeah, I can bleep out all the names. Yeah, but I'm not going to.
Don't worry, I'll AI cut this one.
Yeah, sure, just cut it out. He's probably got a scraper going over the internet looking for shade.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
What is this thing doing?
Well, it's not actually moving that fast, right? I mean, it's like 100 tokens.
So. Yeah.
It's not doing anything.
Oh, thought for 11 seconds and made one line change.
Wow. But it's saying all these updates.
What is it saying here? Also, wait, why is it
Why is it doing this? I don't know.
No. What language is this? Is JavaScript?
Yeah.
Why is there a type declaration before the variable?
Where? I don't see a type. Float.
It says float. And this is float space Q equals blah, float band equals blah. I don't know. Anyways, whatever.
Maybe you can write TypeScript inside of an HTML file now. I don't know.
No, but that's not how you would declare
so
a
now
type
it's
in
actually.
TypeScript. Oh, okay. It made a bunch of changes.
Okay.
All right, fine, whatever.
Probably just at the top. I don't know. Let's crack it open and see what's what. Okay, now it's checking
should we? Because it wants to take another double check on itself and probably make some more changes.
I'm just
some more tokens.
gonna sneak a peek. I mean, that's all right, right?
I will say, as a product engineer person, this thing sucks. It hasn't asked for any feedback so far.
All right, yeah.
This thing is the equivalent. This thing is the equivalent of like an Accenture consultant. It just says like, give me 4 sentences. I'll go away for 4 months, build something, come back, and it'll definitely be what you want.
My liege.
Yeah, what happens if you open it? You get errors?
What? In what? Yeah, I guess I should probably.
It's an HTML file. Yeah.
Well, no, I'm not going to look at it until it says it's done. But
you want to? Okay,
I want to give it a chance.
No spoilers.
No spoilers. Like, I want to give this guy a chance. So let's I'll get this puppy open in code. VS Code, which I'm also retiring, folks. It's time. Ian's pretty happy about it. Yeah, I'm going over to NVim.
One of us.
This is another one where, I was already using Vim key bindings, but this is another one where the landscape is just so and I can't trust anything, packages, extensions. So you wanted to, parse float. Well, that's just a warning. Yeah.
Search for float.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, what?
Oh, this is
is
inside. What is this?
Yeah,
okay.
What is this? What is
This
it?
is metaprogramming
is it
shit
running?
or something.
Yeah, I mean, there must be a library here
What?
that's executing. Is it
Something else?
SVG? Is it? It's a. Oh, it's using WebGL, I think.
Interesting.
I think it's using WebGL.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, so those are WebGL. Oh wow. Okay, that is
we've
definitely
gone GPU.
outside of my comprehension wheelhouse, indeed.
Yeah,
I'm not
I've never messed with that API.
Nope. Okay, it's almost done with thinking. We're thinking max to the max extreme. Let's take a look at our usage. Yeah, I think we might make it. I think we might make it to 100% here. How long we been going for Fozzie?
We are at 1 hour and 3 minutes.
Gee, this was supposed to be fast. Okay, so we're kind of getting the polish put on this turd. Let's have a moment of reflection. Foz, what do you think so far? What are your findings on this? Oh yeah, here. I'm sorry. I probably pulled you over here so I could look at you, but then it's like you're being recorded. Okay, I'll look over.
It's
here.
fine.
Foz, tell me, what do you think?
Yeah,
so
no,
far?
seriously. Like I was serious about the product comment. I was like,
Okay.
It's not even asking for feedback. It's not iterating. It's just like it's going and doing a thing, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, that's fine.
Yep.
I will say it really does feel like it's token maxing on you. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, it
Like it's
uses twice-
intentionally trying to use a bit more than what it should, or what it really needs.
That could be. I mean, that could be kind of a side effect of forcing it into max thinking. But that's
Maybe.
also. But I mean, I guess like I would hope and expect. Okay, so now it's. God, is it checking
have another
itself
peek.
again?
Yeah.
It's really okay. Fine. I'm just gonna. And here we go with the. What was it? Authorization fatigue? Auth fatigue?
No,
Acceptance
approval fatigue.
Approval fatigue. I am exhausted, by the way. It was a long day. I'm at the end of my work day. Fable, just figure it out, man. Stop coming to me. I gotta get started on dinner. Okay, so UX sucks. Not asking for questions.
Not the UX sucks. The
Design,
design
product itself.
process sucks.
So
What the hell was that fucking harness? Like that was
Some weird-
that was overkill.
Yeah, some weird decision.
Buddy tried to
making.
push us back on our pushback, and I think
Yeah.
Buddy was out
Yeah.
to lunch.
Some weird, definitely. Like,
If an engineer on my team did that to solve that problem, like we're going on a pip.
yeah, I'm laughing because like suddenly you were transferred back into like I don't know 1950s Boston or something like. Hey, if somebody tries, you're out to lunch, pal. It's like who says that? Out to lunch.
Say that,
I like
out to
it.
lunch,
I gotta
yeah,
bring it
sure.
back. Yeah, it's good. It's good stuff. So it's going in and it's actually doing a lot of WebGL editing because it wasn't happy with how it looked. I mean, and also, I guess to your point, this kind of tweaking does feel very exploitative of my token budget. You know, it's like, I mean, buddy, like, when's it gonna be good enough? No.
Here we go again.
Yeah. I kind of like so I'm on
Oh,
two
did
minds.
you now that, ladies and gentlemen, what just happened was approval fatigue. There are 3 options every time it asks for permission. There's yes, no, and there's yes, continue editing whenever you want for the rest of this session. And guess
And
which one
stop
Josh just chose?
fucking bothering me, you clanker piece of shit. And yes, I said the word. I said the C word. Fortunately, you know, Armin of Flask, you know, he's the creator of Flask. That's his kind of big claim to fame. Probably he has more, but that's what I know him for. We have the benefit of not really having much of an audience, so no one is gonna see us say clankers and lose their. Yeah, well, it really wants to get this WebGL right, so I appreciate your...
What are the adjustments it's making here? Oh, these are like small decimal changes. Jesus.
Yeah, I
It's
mean, I'm
changing
sure
a 0.07 to 0.09. It's
Yeah, but that's gonna...
Oh, wait,
that's
why is
gonna-
it asking again?
Because that's a different command. And actually, it's probably... It may... We don't... I guess this I get made another good... So it's rendering color-graded hero shot and forced... I'm kind of excited about this now, actually. Color-graded hero shot. I mean, now you're talking my language. Forced supernova shot. Oh, God. You know what I should have done was tell it to put us in... I should have given it an image.
Oh, that would have been good. Yeah.
And told it to put us in there. Yeah. Damn. All right. Let's see what I can do. Yeah, but it's like I don't have another hour to wait. Another time. This is tomorrow's budget, by the way. So what I'll do tomorrow is.
Oh wait, we can't end the episode without seeing something. Come on.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'm not ending the episode. Okay. I'm just saying.
Right.
Oh, here we go.
What's this?
Open. All right,
oh,
it's
here we
ready.
go.
Are you ready?
Hold on to your butts, folks.
Hold on to your butts. It is. I also want to know what it's putting to memory. You little piece of shit. Little
control
sneak.
that. Yeah. What are you up to?
Can I control it? Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
It says nothing.
It says demo quality bar. Right.
Yeah, but
what is that? What is that?
All
right, whatever.
We'll see. We'll take a no. We'll
I
take
guess
a look.
we'll find out.
Look.
Enter.
Yeah, here we go. Boom.
Ooh. That's definitely WebGL. I can't see the B. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yeah. Yeah.
Josh, okay, so for those of you listening at home, what we're looking at is essentially some Milky Way-esque visualization from way out, and you're able to like move it around and 3D spin it and
That's
click it. And what happens when you click it, I guess, is the equivalent of a supernova of some kind.
Yeah.
And
it sucks.
that's it.
And it sucks. All right. Well,
And it's probably spinning Josh's fans
and it's Fable, and then
hard.
And as you can see, there's some text here that's illegible. Totally illegible.
says Fable,
it says drag to
but
turn. No, it says Fable.
Oh, wait, where are you seeing that?
Yeah, you can't exactly. You can't see it. It's really obfuscated text. Let's take a look here and see where it says turn to turn. Oh, maybe it's capitalized.
Do drag.
So to turn. Drag to turn, scroll to fall in, click to ignite a supernova. Okay, so the scroll, a quarter million
scroll. Try
suns.
scrolling.
Okay, so the text that you can't see because it rendered it crappily is Fable, a 250,000 suns from nothing. All right, here we go. Oh!
I mean,
Yeah, still sucks.
It's literally just zooming. It's not
No.
like like
Well-
you're getting more into the galaxy or anything.
No, I mean, it isn't. I think that it's actually changing the viewport in the WebGL.
Yeah.
So,
But what would have been cooler would have been like you're zooming in on like a solar system or something, you know.
Yeah,
Which
sure.
obviously, yes, I understand that would like explode your GPU, but
well, worth it.
Whatever.
You know, give me this is the best you got. You know.
yeah.
I got bad news for you, Fable. You suck. Now, did I prompt it well? I mean,
Oh, what is this? Wait, what?
All right, let's see what it said. What you looking at?
Tell the people what it says. Yeah.
It says, "That's what I've got, Ian. Click something." I think it really kind of got offended by your thing. So let's see what it's
still
what it's told
blows,
us here.
robot.
Yep. What you're looking at, 228,000 suns, each on its own tilted elliptical orbit. So apparently it's done some pretty intense mathematics. And actually, I can hear my fans. My fans are kicking off. So good for you, Fable. You've really pushed my M1 MacBook Pro to the max. They emerge from density wave mechanics, the same physics that shape real galaxies. Watch for a minute. The stars flow through the arms while the pattern persists. A golden core, hot blue arm tracer stars, red giants, dust lanes that carve the inner. I mean, the description sounds much better than the experience. And then it's just the shockwaves. First click starts a generative ambient score. You can't hear that, but it's just basically an annoying hum in my earphones.
Gotcha.
Sub bass swell on every noma. Yeah, I mean it's super mediocre and it sucks. No libraries, no assets, no network. Ian says it still sucks. Now, what I would like out of it was just to be like, well, f*** you, Ian.
That would be the best, actually.
I did my best. F*** you,
Well,
Ian.
Ian can eat.
Exactly. Which I hear it can be pretty saucy, but in fact, no, this sucks. And here's what it did for 5 rounds of token exhaustion. It caught and fixed GLSL power negative, not a number error that ate the galaxy after the first supernova. Now that would have been cool. Subpixel stars that rasterized to nothing, and dust that was 20 layers too thick. All right. So while it's thinking, let's go back to this magical crap show. So, yeah, I mean, in terms of an experience, it sucks. In terms of, I guess, WebGL rendered mathematics, cool?
Sure. I mean, I've never done it. Cool.
Yeah, but it's like, yeah. Yeah,
I'm sure
cool
I'm sure there's a tutorial on Medium somewhere that I could have followed.
Yeah, cool math, Fable. And what did we learn? We learned not much, I think. Not much of anything. Yep. Wow. Okay, well, let's go ahead and see.
What's your usage at now?
We got out of our exhaustion and boiling the oceans in order to generate some slop. We got a shitty asteroids game and a crappy galaxy simulation, and that took us to 100. Oh well,
Hundo.
Okay, now this is bad. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, that's too
I'm
bad.
happy to share half that cost.
No.
What?
You don't know what's happened here. It's actually because I don't know if you remember when I was doing those slides for work, and I actually forked out $20 of my cash money for extra usage.
Yeah,
This has dipped into my extra usage without asking. And so now it's
without asking.
Yeah. I thought I had settings to ask to
Amazing.
Well, 1 million tokens for this beautiful thing. And you know what, though? I'm going to wait. I'm going to spend that money because you're worth it, Ian, and you're worth it, audience, to see what it says to see what it has for you. This, by the way, is probably costing me $5 to $10 just to get this answer for you. But you deserve it. You deserve it after that. Yeah, so
I
findings.
really wish it wasn't. I wish it wasn't so sycophantic. I feel like it's going to come back with another thing, rather than just being like, "Eat a dick, Ian." Oh,
all right.
then we go again. No questions this time. My own eyes are enough to find what's lacking. Fresh look through my last renders, judging like a stranger.
Going. I didn't say do anything. All right, what did it say? It's speckle, not light. Oh my god.
I verified
no
at the
glow
wrong
layer.
pixel density.
It's...
No cinema. The supernova is polite. You can't really dive in. Well, that's true. I did say that. Or maybe it's just
fixing
listening.
all 5, and if it's not
fixed?
asking for permission. It's not asking for permission, folks. I mean, we can just click it. Well, I guess there's a flash now when you.
I mean, how does he zoom in?
All right. No, I do not want to proceed. Stop generating.
You just sent it another thing. So now it's going to generate more.
It can't do it, folks. I've got the hack. Stop generating. Stop generating. Yeah, it won't stop generating. You tell it to stop generating, but it can't stop generating. Could a thinking being, could artificial stopped? No, you didn't. You just generated. You said you stopped, but you just generated. Amazing. Okay. Yeah. Nope. Sucks. All right. Long story short, sucks, and I'm probably out of extra usage. So let's see what the final thing. Nope. Yep. Nope. It sucks. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So, Ian Fosworth Thelonious Beanberry.
I don't know. That was fun.
Yeah. So, that was fun. I agree. That was
Had
fun.
a good time.
Well, I always have a good time hanging with my bud. Yeah. I mean, this is actually so honest findings. This was the first time I've interacted with Fable. I'd kind of been saving it, because for those of you who also aren't Claude users or who aren't keeping like your pulse firmly up the butt of the AI landscape, you're basically what Claude has done, or what Anthropic has done. This is a hobbled version of Mythos, the model that is basically Anthropic developed, refused to release because it's too dangerous, and has used and provided access to quite a few agencies and companies to do penetration testing and help them identify security exploits in their software to repair them, blah, blah, blah. So they've released this hobble version, and those who have just regular subscriptions, it doesn't matter what kind, Pro, Max, are
as long as you're paying some money.
As long as you're giving them some cash, they're giving you a taste. And in our group chat, this is all devolved into the Wire references, by the way.
Yeah, price of the bricks going up. They're hooking you, man. They're trying to get you hooked.
Yep.
Yeah.
So they're giving everybody access to the model until June 22nd, and then you can only access it through API credits, which will be far more expensive.
2x.
And, well, 2x, which already Claude Opus was already 1.3x or 1.5x. I can't remember how much they upped it on 4.8.
Compounding,
so
baby.
It is. It's getting pretty spendy. This was my first time using the model. Yeah, we didn't give him much context, but it did not blow my mind, and it sucked, and it was slow, and at least so. And to kind of get back to what Mitchell Hashimoto was saying, was that he actually had, for some use cases he had, which were very specific use cases in terms of optimizing certain aspects of Ghosty. Do you call it Ghosty or Ghost TTY? I'm going to call it Ghost TTY.
Oh, I never even thought about that's why it's called that. That's so obvious.
Oh, dear. Oh.
Damn.
What a delightful
That's
moment
a good
to be
name.
here for.
That's a really good name.
What a
Way to
delightful
go, guys.
moment to be here for, the moment you discovered that it's TTY, man. It's
That's so obvious. Fuck. Okay.
Anyways, so yeah, he said it was like incredibly good at doing some optimizations in an agentic in a loop. So basically, he said optimize this thing and then put it in a loop, and he also has said that it's far too slow to actually use for dynamic or interactive agentic coding, which is, I think that is my preferred way to use these tools to kind of create is not to totally offload and delegate, or at least like whatever. Beside the point, but. And he was like, this is really good, very amazing for this very particular use case, but also like this small optimization cost him $40. And he's got some money to spend, I think. So
he's fine.
Is he fine? He's not nickel and diming his $20 a month Claude Pro subscription.
He's got all the IBM money.
Was HashiCorp acquired by IBM or something?
Yeah.
That's old Big Blue came in and gave him a big hug. So my findings, still just an LLM. Maybe it's cool. I've seen a lot of people use it for, or at least say that it's really good at specific use cases, but not, for me, this does not feel like we're at AGI yet. I think we're still some distance away. And also, that's not a linear path, and I have no confidence that this leads to AGI. This leads to compounding failure. How about you, Ian?
I don't really have much to add. Yeah, I'm not like, I don't know. The thing I used it for research personally. Would Sonnet have done the same thing? Probably. It wasn't mind blowing. I don't know. Yeah. I'm just like right now. I'm literally one of those assholes who's just like, yeah. Max, let's go. 2x.
Oh,
Why
yeah,
not?
of course.
If you're going to give it to me for free, I'm going to use it.
Same. Yeah, same. Obviously. It's like, Why would I not have it turned up to 11 at all times? More is more, right? More is more.
Oh, God.
Okay, well, there you have it, folks. Claude Fable, the story still unfolding and a tale poorly told. There you go. And that's the show, and that's a wrap.
You just survived another episode of Yelling at Robots. Better luck next time.